Here's the solutions to the second perfect problem for Math 60. Let's see, in this problem we're given this huge mess right here and basically told to simplify it. So what this ends up being is an exercise in order of operations. Might help to write this over this to the side. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. This is the order that you're supposed to do your operations, P being parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So let's see, if we follow that, the first thing we want to do is parentheses. So here's one set of parentheses right here. Let's see, 3/4 minus 1/2. So I'll leave a lot of this stuff alone. 3/2 cubed minus. Let's see, 1/2 is the same as 2/4. So we could say 3/4 minus 2/4 is just 1/4. And we'll leave the rest of this stuff alone. Let's see, and then when we get over here, we want to take care of this set of parentheses right here. On the inside here, we got 4 plus 1 squared. The order of operations on the inside there, it's the 1 that we want to square stays at 1, and then you add 4 to get 5. Then on the bottom here, 2 squared is 4. So by taking care of everything we can inside parentheses, we get to here. Then we want to take care of some exponents. So let's see here. This first one, 3/2 cubed. It's a little bit hard to do, but 3 times 3 times 3 ends up being 27. And 2 times 2 times 2 ends up being 8. And then 1/4 squared, 1/4 times 1/4, we end up with 1/16. And leave this guy alone. And 5/4 squared, 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. So we've taken care of the exponents. That brings us down to this step here. This is kind of a confusing form to look at. Okay, first we want to take care of what's inside these exponents here. And then on the inside, we have something minus something divided by something else. So division comes before subtraction. So we got 27 divided by 8 minus, let's see, 1/16 divided by 1/4 is the same as 1/16 times 4/1. And if you multiply that out, you get 4/16. And we're still not done with these parentheses here. We need to subtract 27/8 and subtract 4/16. We want a common denominator, and since this isn't simplified, we can get a common denominator. We can call this 2/8. Right, divide the top and the bottom by 2. So we have 27/8 minus 2/8, which is 25/8 divided by 25/16. And we're almost done. One more step. Let's see if you remember that division is just like multiplication. This is the same as 25/8 times 16/25. Maybe I should have some equal signs in here. And so finally, if we want to multiply across here, you could just multiply straight across, but the numbers are getting pretty big. So it might be helpful to get a little clever and realize that we got a 25 up top and a 25 on the bottom. And you could start to cancel the 16 and the 8, or you could just think, oh, this is 16/8, which is the same as 2. So that huge mess simplifies all the way down, and 2 is our final answer. That's the end of the solutions.